How to delete blank rows in Excel. You are in a situation where you have to arrange a document in the form of a table, and it is not formatted nicely or there are gaps in the lines. Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can fix these problems quickly and efficiently. Open the table you want to edit. I have this table. However, as you can see, the table has a lot of empty rows that make it useless. Since my table is small, I can clean each row individually and I won't spend too much time. However, let's take into account that the table has several thousand rows. What then? First, we need to mark the entire table. After that, we will press the F5 key on our keyboard. A menu will open where we need to find the special button and click on it. This will open a new menu where we can select what we want. As we are looking for empty lines, we will mark the blanks option and click on the OK button. As you can see, now all rows that are empty will be marked. The next thing we need to do is to press the Control key and the minus key. This will open a new menu in which we select the options in which way we want to delete the rows. We select the Shift Cells Up option and click OK. As you can see from the table, in this way we removed all empty rows very quickly and easily so that our table is ready for further use. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.